Hi everybody, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Friday, October the 30th, 2020. My name is Hamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting with the Euro USD analysis.
Marking a bearish candle for the fourth consecutive days, Euro slid down against the US dollar on Friday, decreasing the price of the pair to less than 1.1700 ahead of the release of the US ISM Manufacturing PMI news.
Okay, so the Euro US is currently hovering around the 1.1673. Looking at the chart, we can see there's following support levels. So support 1 is 1.1632, which is the immediate trendline support. Second support is at 1.16 even, which is a psychological number. And finally, the third support is at 1.1536, which is a key horizontal support level.
And on the upside, the Euro-US pair may come across a few critical resistance spots. The first resistance is at 1.1787, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement. The second resistance is at 1.1858, which is the upper trend line arm. And the third resistance is at 1.1900, which is the psychological level.
Okay, so for some fundamental news, we're going to be looking at the US ISM Manufacturing PMI news in particular. So the Institute for Supply Management, which is ISM, is scheduled to release stats concerning the ISM Manufacturing PMI news on Monday. So according to economists' estimate, these news figures remained at 55.6 in October as compared to a reading of 55.4 the previous month.
The stats for the US ISM Manufacturing PMI news reflects the overall business conditions within the United States. Unlike US ISM Services PMI, the manufacturing index holds great importance, being an important indicator of the US economy and having the potential to make a significant impact on the country's overall GDP. Generally speaking, reading above 50 is bullish for the US dollar, suggesting a bearish market for the Euro-US pair ahead and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, given the bearish price movement of this pair over the last few days, selling the Euro-USD around the current levels might yield some short to medium term profits. Now moving on to the Aussie-USD.
The Australian dollar inched lower against the US dollar on Friday, decreasing the price of the Aussie-US pair to less than 0.7100 ahead of the release of the Reserve Bank of Australia interest rate news.
Now this pair is currently floating around the 70.23 level. Again, looking at the chart, we'll find the following support levels. At support 1 is the 69.63, which is a lower trend line arm. Second support is a 69.15, which is a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. And finally, the third support is at 68 even, a psychological level, obviously.
Now on the upside, there are multiple resistance levels that may keep pushing the price backwards. The first resistance is at 0.7106, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci level resistance. And the second resistance is at 0.7156, which is the upper trend line arm. The third resistance is at 0.7243, which is the high of October 7th this year.
So now for the Aussie RBA interest rate news. So the Reserve Bank of Australia on Tuesday, which is November the 3rd, is set to release its numbers. So according to economists' forecasts, the October reading is at 0.1% as compared to a reading of 0.25% in the previous month.
The stats for RBA interest rate decision reflects the prevailing economic condition of the country. If the bank feels the economy needs some immediate stimulus, it raised the interest rate owing to the hawkish approach towards the economy.
Generally speaking, the RBA's hawkish approach towards the inflationary outlook of the country's economics suggests a bullish market for the Aussie-USD pair ahead and vice versa.
In conclusion, considering the bearish candles over the last couple of days, selling the Aussie-US pair around current levels might be a worthwhile trading decision in short to medium term trading.
And as always, when trading, trade with your head, not your heart. Always trade with what you can afford to lose and apply strict money and risk management techniques at all times.
Thanks for the reminder. And also, if you like our videos, don't forget to hit the like button and share to your friends. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and follow our Instagram at Forex Decoded.
Have a great weekend. See you Monday. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.